Hi, hello. Happy days, sailors. It's good to speak with you, boys and girls. Today we want to talk about science some more. Isn't science fun? And today's subject is the human body. Yes, we have a body, and we have a head, and we have a torso. We call that body a torso. And we have legs, and we have our arms. Those are called limbs. Can you say limbs? Good. Can you say torso? Good. What's inside of our head? Well, that's maybe one of the most important parts. Inside of your head is something called a brain. Can you say brain? It's squishy and slimy and but it's very important. That's where we do all of our thinking and our feeling and our planning. That's where we get hungry from. That's where we get happy from. That's where we see things from. Yeah, different parts of our brain. Our brain has different parts. One part in the back that is responsible for seeing is called the occipital lobe. Can you say occipital lobe? Very good. That's pretty good. The part in the front is called the prefrontal cortex. Can you say prefrontal cortex? Good. I can see some of you are going to be brain surgeons out there. We also have something called the pineal gland. We have some things called the limbic system. We have the pyramidal tracts. There are so many interesting parts of the brain. And the brain is made up of lots of tiny little connections. They're so good. Inside of our torso, we have a lot of other parts, like our heart. Our heart takes blood everywhere in our body. All of the nutrients that we need to go, that's in our blood. And our heart is the pump that takes it all around. Then we have our liver. Ooh, our liver's a big brown thing that comes around here. It's very nice, and it helps us digest our foods. And then there's our stomach. Some of us have a bigger stomach than others. Our stomach is what holds all of the food and the drink when we first put it in our mouth. It goes down, and then it goes in the stomach, where there are acids. It breaks down the food, and then it puts it into our intestines, which process it more. So these are some of the parts of the body. We need all of these parts, except maybe the appendix. But the rest of it, we need it. Okay, kids, very good talking about the human body. It's a really good body to have if you're a person. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Use your body, your finger. Boom, like, subscribe. Good job. Bye-bye.